From here you have a very nice view of the Sirikit area there and the Benjakitti Park in front, and here to the left the new Queen Sirikit National Convention Center. Good morning! I'm here across the street from the Queen Sirikit National Convention Center, and this center will be ready in 3 months. With 300,000 square meters, it will be 5 times the size of the original Queen Sirikit Convention Center. It looks like the project is well on schedule. There you see the entrance of the MRT station that stops right in front of the convention center. And here you have the old stock exchange of Thailand and the Parq Life. And this is the bridge, the overpass, where I made a video one time about the 28 days later. I will put a link in the description. To reach the convention center, you can go to the Queen Sirikit Convention Center MRT station, which is right next to the building. Here it's clear. Apologize for the inconvenience caused during underground passageway construction. Target completion September 2022. So if you want to enter the convention center, you can take the MRT station here, exit number 3. And this is the station BL23. And then you would walk straight into the convention center. The convention center will have its own shopping mall as well, which will be called the BALM, the Bangkok Active Lifestyle Mall, BALM. But it's just a short walk towards the Parq Life as well, where I'm here at. And the Parq Life is an office building that has a mall inside as well. Yeah, it's an area here that is under development. Here in front you see the Med Park, which is the hospital where we got vaccinated. Directly behind the convention center you will find the new Benjakitti Forest Park Museum, and this is still under construction, and I will definitely make a video about that another time. And here you'll have the entrance to the new Benjakitti Forest Park, and it seems that there's gonna be an entrance here, so it will be easy if you go to the convention center to just go to the park afterwards. So the original convention center closed in April 2019 when they started these renovations, and they basically just tore down the whole building. And I have some footage of how it looked from the air, and I will edit it in here. And as you can see, it's next to the park. While I'm here anyway, why not give an update regarding Benjakitti? So they put these really nice signs here. Here you have a map of how the park looks. I'm at the museum building. Then here you have the Queen Sirikit National Convention Center, and then you have the whole park next to it. For the Forest Park Museum, they basically took old factory buildings from the tobacco factory, and they turned it into this hall with a kind of indoor park. See, these are the roofs of the factory halls. But I'm not here for the Forest Park Museum. I'm here to show you the Queen Sirikit National Convention Center. So let me show you the view from the old Benjakitti Park, and I think that's the best view of the convention center that you have at the moment. Here we are in the old part of the Benjakitti Park, and this part's been closed for almost 1.5 years to do some reconstructions. So the whole path here is new, and they constructed this part in the lake where in the future you can rent the swan boats, you know, the boats that you can bicycle with, and from here you have a very nice view of the Sukhumvit area there and the Benjakitti Park in front, and here to the left the new Queen Sirikit National Convention Center. I think this is the best place to see the convention center on how it's going to look in the future. As you can see, it says APEC 2022, and that's the Asian Pacific Economic Cooperation, which will be a convention that will be held here in November 2022, and it will officially open in September, on the 14th of September to be exact. It will be the Asian Sustainable Energy Week. There will actually be several conventions. The venue is big enough to do 2 or 3 conventions in the same time. In September, when the convention center opens, I will definitely be there and show you the inside of this building. But for now, I will have to leave you with only some footage from the outside. I hope you enjoyed this update regarding the Queen Sirikit National Convention Center in Bangkok. If you enjoyed it, feel free to subscribe, drop me a line, and see you guys in my next video.